This is my new dryer, tumble dryer. This is a normal dryer. Because why do I buy this? I buy this because it is an honest dryer. I don't like anymore a heat pump dryer. There are too many problems with a heat pump dryer and also with a condenser. This is a cheap product, and the consume of energy was higher, something higher, but therefore I do have the less reparation. Also, I don't need then anyone who come and I have to pay much money to repair it. And now I will take away everything on this machine and I'll show you. I chose here for see, it's very good for me. I don't like this. I like this, but without reparation. You know, therefore I go for the simple way, and the cost of reparation are more than I use the current. So 25, okay. The door I can change from there. I can change the door when I want. I take it out and put it to the other way. I have to make a hole in the wall, and therefore I need the measure how much also it is. When you see it here, the middle of the hole is 85 millimeter. Yes, now then you know at that high you have to drill into the wall, the hole, that the air can go out. Okay, that was one hundred twenty millimeter. You have to drill the hole. And then dat gaat gauw kapot. Nou ja, we zien het wel. And don't forget to take out this piece of shit what is inside of the machine before you make it in motion. And that is the noise he makes. I like it.